Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel, my dazzling decor where luxury is affordable. And thanks so much for returning. To my new subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by. You are so welcome. Today's video is a living room revamp for the upcoming festive holidays. I will show you step by step how I gave my mantle this beautiful look with this rustic, modern, warm, vibrant, and cozy burnt orange. This is a year-round and not a fall color, guys, and it's really making a comeback for a reason because of how it makes the room feel comfortable and stylish, and because of its versatility. Whether your style is modern, bohemian, or rustic, it works beautifully across different aesthetics. We will also be adding these gorgeous wall sconces. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right. Okay, so guys, I have gone ahead and cleaned and cleared the mantle because it allows you to really envision the new look you are going for, and it gives you that fresh start. So every great mantle design starts with a strong base or centerpiece. So I cut the pole noodle from one end through to the other, and I securely attached it to the mantle. I am using a 6 battery operated maple leaf florals. So the trick is, guys, I stuck 3 of the battery operated flowers in the pool noodle, and I rested the 3 with the battery container on the mantle, just so it give it that balance. I'm also adding these beautiful picks with acorns, berries, pumpkins, just to give it variation in texture. Okay, so also don't forget to always step back to assess the overall look by adjusting things as needed to get the perfect balance that you want. I used 2 swags, one on each side, just to give it that balance. Okay, and I used 16 picks with the acorns, pumpkins, and the berries, to give it that beauty that I'm going for. And there you have it, guys, a beautifully styled mantle that is sure to become a conversational starter when your guest comes for the holidays. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so I've taken out every decor in the living space, and my husband is planning the placement of the wall sconces. This is crucial for our votive ceiling, and the right positioning can completely change the room's ambience. We moved the mirrors next to the wall hanging and replaced them with these beautiful light sconces. Unfortunately, the manufacturer has discontinued them, but I'll try and link similar in the description. We actually decided sconces because they really are perfect, and they add style, elegance, and function to any room. So I placed these 2 bookshelves on each side of the fireplace or the mantle, and I'm adding all these gorgeous decor pieces from my dazzlingdecor.us and from different local stores. The pineapple tea light holder is so gorgeous, guys, and I believe I picked it up from Amazon. And I love this white pumpkin set also, which is from Z Gallery. I am adding these gorgeous antique mirrors on the end table, and a beautiful pumpkin from one of the local stores. I moved this beautiful black gorgeous accent chairs from the original places, and I placed them against the curtain. I like to start with a neutral base. This creates a foundation and helps tie the whole look together. I'm using this gorgeous rustic burnt orange and loosely over the corner of the couch to add a relaxed feel. You can fold it neatly for more structured look, which I've done that severally if you choose to do that. Next, I'm layering in some accent pillows with different textures and pops of burnt orange color, which adds warmth, and I'm also adding a pattern pillows to create some visual interest. You know, guys, mixing different fabrics like linen and velvet adds depth and makes the arrangement look more dynamic. Okay, a good tie, guys, is to arrange pillows symmetrically until you are, comfortable in arranging them in odd numbers, like in the 3s or 5s, to create a more balanced yet casual look. I'm starting off on the coffee table with this beautiful linear tray from mydazzlingdecor.com, and I'm adding this gorgeous vase with those beautiful flowers from Hobby Lobby on top of it with this candle and infuser. I'm adding this gorgeous beautiful storage box from mydazzlingdecor.com and this linear candle holders. I'm putting them on top of the candle holders, and the beaded garland from Amazon, and this pumpkin from Home Goods, and I added the snuffer and the coasters. Okay, so guys, anything that you see that you are interested will be linked in the description box, and most items in today's video on the bookcase are from mydazzlingdecor.us, and the linear tray and the candle holder on the coffee table and the decorative box are all from mydazzlingdecor.us. Those that are linkable, I will definitely link them. Okay, thank you so much for your love and support. And that's a wrap, guys, on today's living room revamp and mantle decorating tutorial. I hope you enjoyed seeing this transformation and picked up some helpful tips along the way. It's amazing, right, on how a few changes can really refresh a space and make it feel brand new. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and notification bell 2 times so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I'll see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.